always think three things about your business at all times. Protect your business, grow your business, and try to build equity in your business, right? Build equity in your business. The last one is the easiest. Buy real estate. That's the simplest, best way to build equity besides the turnover in your business is to own real estate. So always try to buy real estate. Let's go to protect, right? You woke up on January 1st, 2020, and if I said to you, okay, I'll interview you for a second, what could go wrong this year? You would have never said a pandemic,
No, not at
okay?
all. Sure.
Never,
No.
okay? But anything can go wrong at any time, right? So protect always means have enough money in the bank because there's a golden rule of borrowing. When you need it, you don't get it. When you don't need it, everyone wants to give it to you, okay? So I say at least put 6 months of operating cash away at all times if there's emergencies. And it's not just for emergencies, it's also for opportunities, right? Because remember, Newton's law of physics, the second law of physics is for every reaction, there's an equal and opposite reaction, right? So I'll give you a couple COVID examples, right? As horrible as COVID is, okay, my commute went from an hour and 45 minutes to 45 minutes, okay? So there's always something good and something bad, right? So here, what happens good? Well, I'll tell you what happens good. The businesses that are economically stressed create opportunities for the better run businesses. So this is the time to look at other dealerships. This is the time to see who's in trouble. This is the time to look up maybe to pick up cheap inventory. This is the time to look to grow your business, right? So protect your business, then look to grow your business, right? And you can only grow a business in two ways, right? You can only grow it internally, make it bigger, or externally, go buy something, right? We're available to help with both. Yeah. And then the third maxim I always have is build equity, build equity, build equity, and buy real estate whenever you can.
Sure.
So that's I would say is the overview, right? Nobody really knows what's going to happen, but if you follow those three simple rules, you really can't go wrong, right?